Hi, this is Steve. This is part 15 of the BMW E36 Rally car build. So this is where we'll put the exhaust sensor. So I'll get a hole saw and we'll just drill it in there now. Because I'm going to be drilling a hole into the exhaust here, I don't want any swarf and so on to get into the catalytic converter. So I will pull the exhaust off, and we'll do all the work with the exhaust off it. While I've got the exhaust off, I'll weld in this section of the exhaust. I hadn't marked it, I've welded it. So I'll drop that down. While it's dropped down, I'll put some welds on this to finish that off. So there is the exhaust, and this is where we'll be bringing the oxy sensor into. And that will fit in there like that. Beautiful. We'll stuff it in the catalytic converter. There we go. Now we have that installed, we can move on to the rest of the exhaust again. Well, that looks alright, and the cable come up around back of the cross member and head up to the front of the car. Yeah. Pretty happy with that. We'll just weld the exhaust extension back in now. Well, there's the exhaust back on, all nice and finished off. Looking like it should be there. Just filled the diff with oil, the oil that came with the limit slip, which is, there'll be a picture of it, you'll see. But the gearbox oil in the BMW E36 with the M3 gearbox, they recommend automatic transmission fluid. So I've gone for a full synthetic nylon in this little plastic bag, which is going to make it much easier to fill. But I think the full synthetic, will start with that. We'll see how it turns out, but that's what we'll do. See how it goes. Well, that's it for now. There's a few more jobs left before the car is going to get to Les Collins Racing, for them to start wiring up all the engine, computer and so on. So hope we can get those jobs out of the way really soon and get the car off to Les Collins and hear the engine running for the first time. We'll see you next time.